Did you ever have a cellmate where you're like, you got to go, you can't stay
I
here?
did have one, man, but it wasn't nothing he was doing. It was just he snored like a train.
So what do you say to him when he's snoring? My bunkmate, because I used to snore a lot, would kick the bottom of the bunk.
There wasn't nothing you could do to him, man. So I told him, I said, look here, I have to go to counselor and find you somewhere to stay. Okay, I'll go tomorrow. That went on about 2 days. And I stay up all night. I work all day, right? And I sit up all night listening to him snore. So about the third night, I sat up all night with the radio on. I said, I'm staying up, you staying up, man. Next morning, he finally went and told him, hey, I need to move.